It's like you're taking it from me.
Don't tease him with it. You're going to take it from him and play with him. Don't tease him.
He's eating it. He's just barely chewing on the skin.
Squeeze all that orangeness out in your mouth.
He looks confused.
It couldn't be any worse than your dad sitting in the bag of bread
Oh,
bites.
he did.
Yeah.
It's strange, isn't it?
He's so cute.
No funny, it's all just...
He ate an orange pill on the Max yesterday, so he shouldn't know what it is.
He's like, you took it.
Want that shit? Already gave me heartburn. Anybody got any tongues?
He's like, no.
I don't want it.
Roll back to so He's trying to cover it up.
He's like, hide me.
He was covered for a reason.
This isn't normal.
Too much for you, confident. Is it too much for you? He literally keeps jumping on his...
He's having his death. I think he's scared of oranges.
Yawn.
You peel some of it and see what he does with it. He's like, give it away.
Or he's trying to wipe it off. He doesn't like the citrus juice.
Well, that ain't gonna help it.
He looks scared.
Now it smells more orangey. I think that's like overwhelming for him or something.
I want your orange.
You're getting close to it, so you would know.
He's so stupid.
Do not touch the peanut.
Now he's rolling on it.
No.
He touched me, Diddy.
That the league is not prepared to make a statement in terms of what knocked the power out here. They're right now
He looks bad.
Trying to dig.
Take him to the park with an orange.
Okay, buddy.
That's fun.
You're fidgeting on me now, you guys.
He's like, I don't want it.
He's like, get that away from me.